This video shows a lash up of components for Kerry of MERG Southeast Queensland. On the left hand side is a input for a 12 volt power supply, 2 amp power supply. Down the lower left is a adjustable switch mode regulator, and it's set to put out 5 volts. To feed the relay module that's beside it, 5 volt relay module. And then there are two Servo4 boards beside the relay module, and down the bottom are two lots of 4 SP DT switches. All the switches switch to ground, and for the bank of switches on the left, they're also connected to the inputs for the relays. I've tested the whole lot, and it all works as it should on the box. I'll try and hold the iPad steady while I reach down to these switches. Each of the servos is moving. There's no servo on the first switch of the last one. Okay, and turn it all back off. If you look at the lights on the relays, you'll see when I hit the switches, the lights for the relays disappear as well. That's it. Kerry, everything worked out of the box, other than there was a slight problem with some of the wiring on the cables you gave me. But everything worked. I programmed it using my own PC. That's the servo set there, and it's been turned off and turned on a couple of times. In case you're wondering whether it'll handle the inrush current for everything, what I'll do is I'll pull the power on it, and then I'll change the switches on all the relays so that when it starts up, everything has to move. Okay, let's go. Well, that just did what it was supposed to do on the box. Look forward to seeing you at the next MERG meeting, Kerry. Bye.